Start with your feet together. Make a movement at the ball and replace your feet, getting to that great hitting position. Have a little bit of eye flip down as you're pretending the pitch is coming in. You're getting used to training your eyes. Body goes forward, hands go back. That's the separation process. Feet together, stride forward drill. Now we'll add some knee bend jumping drills. Stride, jump. Put the feet back together. Stride, jump. Put the feet together. Stride, jump. Put the feet together. Notice the eyes staying down. Front leg should be bent on stride. And as they turn, that leg will start to stiffen up. Should not be stiff as they stride. Rotate, then stiffen. That is the incorrect way. Get out through the ball.